Gonna open some presents.
Open some presents.
Yeah.
What day is today?
It's not my real birthday.
Take his presents up in there.
It's not your real birthday.
Just
So what are you opening presents for?
because this is Lynette's last day.
Oh.
Why are you opening presents on Lynette's last day?
So we can celebrate my birthday.
I thought you were going to say celebrating the next
So Lynette can watch you open her presents, I bet, huh? Okay, let's see you go. Enough of this talk.
No, these are me.
Who is that from, by the way?
Grandma.
Who?
Grandma.
Grandma. Oh, I see. The other purpose of opening presents today is to be able to take a video to send to Grandma. Okay. Let's see.
You were right.
Come and smell and focus. Hold still.
You guessed correctly what it was.
Journey to the center of the earth. Jules Verne, I bet. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's an exciting movie. I saw it when I was about your age. You've been reading 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, haven't you? Or you did with Mommy.
She also read Journey to the Center of the Earth.
Uh-huh.
Nathan requested the book and I brought it out in my suitcase.
Uh-huh. The video.
Video, yes.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Won't that be exciting? All right. Let's see what else you got. From.
Is it from Grandma?
Open it up and have a look. Read it. Whoa, what's that inside? What are all those little pieces of paper?
Wow, that's a lot of money.
3.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! So how much is it? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money, except he doesn't seem to be able to count very well. Come on, man, I'm waiting for the answer.
374 baht.
Very good. Well, that'll come in handy, won't it?
Especially since I'm going to Bangkok tomorrow.
Oh.
Who is this from, Mom?
That's from me.
Good.
Melody, did you help Lynette wrap these?
Nope. I tried to fool Nathan. He said he was going to guess by feeling it.
Ah, so that's why.
Is that a giant mailer?
Kind of heavy.
Looks like one leg from a table leg. And 3 others like it. And a table top, we can make a table. Oh, look at that. Whoa!
I thought it was rather funny that you dreamed about having a machete up on Toontown last night.
Yeah.
Since you now have
Did
your
you
own
dream
machete.
about having a machete last
I
night?
dreamed I lost the garden or something.
Now you can lose your own, can't you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Turn it sideways a little bit so we can see. Whoa, what a wicked looking thing. You be careful with that. I don't want to have to try to sew on any amputated fingers.
Well, be careful. Look, he's been using a machete for years.
And I saw him whacking away on Sunday, telling Melody to stay back, stay away, don't come near. He's going to light his own birthday cake, which was made by Lynette in the shape of a 10-wheel truck.
That should have known
Complete
that.
with
Yeah, blow it up.
logs in the back, pardon me, please.
Nathan, you can pick up one of the candles and light one of the
And
candles
the
with
man
first
perched
candle.
on top of the logs. The logs being
What are you
some
doing?
kind of local soup.
These trick candles.
Yeah, I hope not. I didn't do them on purpose if they are.
Nathan is 3 years old today.
12. 1, 2.
Oh, right.
Big candles represent 10s, little candles represent 1s. I don't know what you do for 100. Haven't had that problem around here lately.
Nowadays, it's got some icing on your chin. You're leaning a little too close to the cake. Good thing your dress matches the icing.
Hey, Nody, shall we sing to Nathan?
Happy
birthday
to you.
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Nathan. Happy birthday to you. Nathan gets to blow them out. Made you wish?
No.
Make a wish and then blow them out.
No.
It's not your birthday, love.
Come on, man, we're gonna run out of film.
Did it?
He did it. He managed to.
Ah.
No, he didn't.
That was a trick candle.
A trick candle. Yeah!
Nolly, let's all blow it together. 1, 2, 3. Didn't work. Melanie, blow it hard.
1, 2, 3. Ah!
Alright, that's enough.
We're trying to get it to stay out long enough to go out.
I don't know if I want to have any of this cake or not.
It might be out.
Well, first he bisected the engine. Now I think he's going to amputate the hood or something.
I'll need to go. And I want to manage at the same time.
You can't eat the nanny's plastic.
Oh, too bad. Did you think that was a candy man?
Yes.
What
Should I
are you eating right now?
What? Cake?
Hey, don't cut those. They're bristling with toothpicks. Cut the front of the car. I think you've got 6 slices. That's enough. Big slices too.
What's bristling with toothpicks
The
besides?
walls. That was the only way to keep them up. This car is already the veteran of one accident.
So, watch out for bones, huh?
Right.
Toothpicks.
We've got enough pieces. Nathan, what you
See?
Yeah.
And what are these two called? What are their names? What's the name of this one right here? Oh. What's the name of this one right here?
Anomaly.
Anomaly.
Anomaly Mustache McDaniel.
Come here, let me see your anomalous face. Anomaly. Oh, anomaly. Meow, 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 meow. All right, let me see another one now.
Why?
And what's this one's name?
Shadow.
Shadow. Well, that's
First time?
pretty logical. Hello, Shadow. Hello, Shadow. All right, let's see the other one. Hey, Marmalade. Whoa, don't wiggle around so much. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, put him down. Daddy's gonna send this video to your grandma. Or Lynette's gonna take this video to your grandma. So, would you like to say, goodbye, Grandma, I love you.
Goodbye, Grandma.
love you.
I love you.
Very nice. Nathan, want to tell your grandma thank you for all her presents?
Thank you for all the presents.
Bye.
Bye.